Graph y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 times x plus 4. If we recognize that this is just about written in point-slope form, we know that we can read a point and a slope from the equation. The only thing that's not quite in point-slope form is there isn't a subtraction sign after the x. So let's rewrite x plus 4 as x minus negative 4, and then it would be in point-slope form. Y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 times x minus a negative 4. Now we can read that the slope of the line is negative 1/2, and a point on the line is negative 4, 1. So that is one point that is on the line. Again, that's the point negative 4, 1. So I start by plotting that point, negative 4, 1, and then I can count off a slope of negative 1/2. I can write negative 1/2 as negative 1 over 2, which means I go down 1 for the rise, over 2 for the run, and get another point on the line. Again, I can count down 1 over 2 and get another point on the line. And since these 3 points line up, I have a pretty good idea that I have a correct graphing, and I can connect those with a line, and the line then will be the graph of that equation. So I use a straight edge to make a line, and as a last step I label the line with the original equation, y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 times x plus 4.